Hi, I'm Ben Roy with Lehigh Valley Lawn. We're here at one of our clients' house to do an end-of-the-year site inspection on a complete landscape renovation we did a few months ago. Let me show you around. Starting with this nice natural bluestone walkway. In the beginning of the season, this ramped from here to where the top of the steps that you see. The client didn't like that, and it was causing a lot of erosion issues. So we flattened it out, added some natural steps in that matched the original slate that's been here for a long time, and we were really pleased with how it came out. The base was very unstable, so we took it all apart, rebuilt the base, made it nice and strong again, and now we have a nice smooth walkway that looked like it was here for years. Here we have another bluestone patio that the base failed completely, so we came in and relaid everything entirely. It was causing some water to build up against the house. It has wood siding, so it has a high chance of rot. So we rebuilt the base, pitched it away, and there's actually a built-in drain system you don't see that collects all the water that runs off the roof, and anything that lands here, collects it in these stones, takes it underground, and sends it out into the yard. Now here at the back, we have another bluestone patio. The issue with this one was that it was laid on concrete years ago, and as time went on, certain slates became loose, they were cracking, there was a tripping hazard. So we took this out entirely, relaid a new base as we've done everywhere else, and redid the sand. Another thing they wanted to do was add in this step that you see below. There's lighting built in. That way it has a sense of stepping off into the yard and water is not coming back in. Another thing we did was they had this beautiful stone wall here originally. They wanted to match that on this side. So our guys came in, found matching stone, built a wall to match. That way they have a nice knee wall that matches what was there before. Let me show you something else. All right, so here we have the last section, and this section was a mess. The issue was the land sloped into the house, which caused a lot of water sitting up against the foundation and flooding out the driveway. So what we did is we cut away the land, gave them this beautiful seating area for a future fire pit, and put in this concrete staircase with these irregular stones to keep the nice natural look while providing them a functional, safe place to walk. Here, at the end of the day, we were happy just to meet the client's vision with a functional design that turned out beautifully.